Hello everyone, it's Stephanie Gagos, and today we're going to be doing a Dutch pour with some color shift paints on a round canvas. But before we get into that, I wanted to show you some of the dry paintings from the last few videos. This is that tree ring pour I did, which I embellished. I painted the cells copper because they were like this ugly brown color. I don't know if you can see. There it goes. Anyway, this one is available and it's in my shop if anyone's interested. What I usually do, when a piece sells, I'll spray paint the back, sign it, and then of course I varnish the piece. This is from the second to last video, I believe it was. This is it looks like a geode this way. That gold is amazing. Kind of looks like a galaxy this way. It's really pretty. This one is on a 16 by 20 inch canvas. This is also available in my shop. And the last one I wanted to show you, which is my favorite. I love this one. I love it, love it. I'm just obsessed with this one, I have to say. The gold is just amazing. Just the composition, I love it. I would probably hang it this way. I just like the way that looks. I have it actually hanging in my house until it sells. And this one is also available in my shop. And even though that looks yellow, it is really a gold. It's really beautiful. Okay, so today we're going to be doing a Dutch pour, as I mentioned. I'm using a few, I think 2 color shift paints. I'll be using the Aqua Flash Color Shift by Folk Art and the Purple Flash. And I'll also be using Dioxazine Purple by Liquitex Basics. And this is Permanent Magenta Artist Loft, the medium viscosity acrylics. And I'll be using Gold by Winsor & Newton Galleria. I think that's all I used in the following piece. I'll show you right now. A little sneak peek. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a thumbs up if you do. Leave me a comment. I always love to hear from you. And of course, subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, have a great day, guys.